Hey doc.
Hello, what brings you the doctor today?
I need help. I am in so much wicked pain. Can you help me?
Where is your pain? I see you have been here 6 times in the past week. Can you rate your pain from 1 to 10?
Oh my fucking god. It hurts. I need pain meds doc. Oxycodone and Lortab. I have so much pain. Help me. I need my meds.
Why didn't you go to the emergency room if you were hurting instead of making an appointment?
Damn doc, they kicked me. Oh no, I didn't think of that.
Mom, what can I do to help you? Would you like?
I want pain medication, yo.
Mom, I can't just give you pain medication. What is wrong with you? We can run some tests.
Why do you need to run tests? I said I was in pain. What the fuck is this place? All I wanted was some fucking help and you guys can't help me. You are supposed to help sick people like me. I need to feel better. My scripts are all out. I went to that other place. They won't let me. Fuck. Oxycodone. Shit, fuck, help me doc. Oh god, it hurts. Ouch, fuck.
Okay, it's alright, calm down. You still haven't told me where it hurts. I need to know where and how this happened to help you.
It's my back doc. It's so bad. 11, it's an 11. I can't even go to work. I'm a dancer at a club.
What kind of club, Mom? What kind of dancing is this where you hurt your back?
What the fuck you mean? I dance Fuker, make a lot of money. My man does too. Help me out. Quit judging me, man. Give me some pain meds.
If you are having back pain, over-the-counter meds can work. I can give you some naproxen, which is a leaf.
Fuck that shit. It don't work. They gave me that once. Fuck it. I have chest pain. Doc, help me.
Fuck my life. You don't have chest pain. You just said it was back pain.
Man, yo, fuck, my heart hurts. I have pain. Give me a script so I can go. If I have chest pain, you have to do something. Right, I saw that on Grey's Anatomy. Help me. Chest pain.
We will have to transport you to the emergency room. We do not have equipment for ECG in this office.
What the fucking hell, doc? I trusted you. This is such bullshit. I have pain. I need meds. This morning I threw up 14 times because I didn't have my pain medication. Come on doc, help me. I am in so much pain. It hurts. I need Lortabs.
You know what, druggy bitch, I quit. I am done. No pain meds. I am going to jump out of that window. Move, get out of my way.
Can you write the script first?